Let's take a look at the final product from this course. What you are looking at is our application running in the Envision app website. We are building a clickable mock-up of an application called Schoolbook, an application for parents who have kids in elementary school. This is the splash screen that is shown when the app is loading. Once the app is loaded, if the parent is not signed in, they would be shown this screen where they would enter their email address and password. Since this is just a mock-up, I'll click the Sign In button to simulate signing in. The Sign In screen fades away, and we are now looking at the parent home screen. At the top, we have the next event that is happening at the school, with a photo representing that event. Underneath that, each child that the parent has at the elementary school will have their own row. Here we can see Abigail and Braden both go to this school. Let's look at Abigail's page by clicking her button. We now see Abigail's detail page. We see she's in the 5th grade with Miss Jones. To the right of her name is a button her parent can click to notify the school that she will be out of school that day. Clicking that button will bring up a modal confirming the action. I'll click the Done button to remove the modal. Beneath her name we see Abigail's grades in reverse chronological order. They are color-coded for easy scanning, and we can scroll down to see older grades. I'll click the Back button at the top left of the application screen to go back to the parent homepage. Notice how it slides back into place, just like how it would look if it were on an actual app running on a device. Braden's Schoolbook page operates the same as Abigail's. Under Braden's name, we see the School Calendar button. Clicking on that will slide the school calendar into view. We have designed an actual calendar view with dates highlighted, as well as a list of events showing beneath that you can scroll through. I'll go back to the parent homepage one more time by clicking the Back button on the app screen. The last thing to look at is the school lunch menu. This is a simple list of what's for lunch, starting with today's menu at the top and future days below. Once you have created your mock-up, you can send it to an actual smartphone by clicking the SMS to Mobile button at the top right of the Envision interface. This will send you a link to click on that will put a link to your mock-up on your phone, and you can click through it just like we did here. As you can see, in this course you will be creating a pretty realistic mock-up for a simple application that could really exist. You can take the lessons you learn in this course to go forward and make your own app ideas a reality.